Hi everyone, this is Ramya from Tekkachu Master near MISC Medical College, Kalachery. So today I'm going to give some information regarding the listening part B. So you know that you will be hearing 6 different audios in listening part B. And have you ever imagined what type of audio you can expect to hear on part B? Yeah. So I'm going to discuss about the type of audios that you are hearing on part B. Okay, so the first type of audio that you hear will be about hand hovering. Okay, about a hand hovering will be providing information or giving an opinion about the type of care that a particular patient requires. So hand hovering means like it can be between colleagues, like when you change the shift, or else it can be about if you are hand hovering a patient when you are transferring the patient to another part of the hospital or to a different healthcare environment, for example like from hospital to home care. Okay, another type of handover is like as a patient has been transferred for a test or a specific appointment. Okay, so this type of handovering, sometimes you will be hearing, this can be the healthcare settings, and you'll be hearing a conversation or a monologue regarding this one. And another type of handovering can be about a colleague, like you are talking, or you'll be hearing a conversation between a healthcare professional and his or her colleague before taking a break or before leaving that particular ward. Okay, so these are the type of handovering you will be hearing on listening part B. Okay, another type of audio that you will be hearing on part B is about safety briefings. Okay, safety briefings means what? About a short staff meetings which are usually held at the beginning of each shift to make sure that all staff are aware of any patient's issues in their workplace. So during this safety briefing, concerns can be raised about individual patients who may be at risk of adverse safety incidents. So you will be hearing a particular conversation based on that area. Okay, or else you will be hearing about a staff briefing. Okay, a staff will be briefing to a new staff about the information that this particular staff needs to know about this particular department. Or else another type of audio that you will be hearing on listening part B is about a feedback of a training session. So a particular staff have attended a training session, so this staff is going to brief about what all things has been discussed during this particular training sessions. Okay, another type of audio that you will be hearing is all about an adverse event that happens in a particular department or in the hospital. That can be a medication error or something like that. Okay, and the last type of audio that you will hear on listening part B is about a conversation between a healthcare professional and his or her patient. So during this conversation, what type of informations you will be hearing? The patient will be the patient or the doctor will be addressing the concern of the patient, or else it can be about the admission, or else it can be about the discharge. Okay, so these are the 6 type of audios that you will be hearing on listening part B. So you have to be aware about the type of audios, and you need to get the gist. Okay, you don't want to focus on a particular idea, instead you need to get the gist of their audio. What is the main idea that consists in that particular audio? Okay, so I hope you understand the type of audio that you will be hearing in listening part B. Thank you.